chicken breast. I cut them in cubes. And I have them here ready. So I cut them in cubes. I season that. Once they're a little done, I want to put like 5 minutes. Drain them here. We are gonna do spaghetti, but instead of using ground beef, I'm using chicken breast. Stick around. So I'm cooking the second batch of chicken breast.
And also notice, guys, she did not flour the chicken. She just seasoned it, put
A little bit of vegetable oil on it, and that's it. And season it. I season it separately here. So this is going to be my second batch of chicken breast for this spaghetti. Guys, so my chicken is all ready. I'm just gonna put it in a different so we can drain the excess oil out of here. Now with the same oil we just bought, you put this on the high and very lowly, very low. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some onion, a little bit of garlic, some tomatoes, and a little bit of cilantro. And we're just going to fry this for a little bit for almost, I want to say good 3 minutes or so. Let me add more onion. Okay. It will give the spaghetti sauce more taste, more authentic taste. Let me add this a little bit. So we let it simmer for a little bit for, I want to say good 5 minutes. Okay, so our vegetables are nice. I want it very nice. And the way you'll know it's ready, look at how the cilantro looks. So you know it's nice and tender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my chicken in. So it can get all in with the juices of the seasonings and the vegetables. Like that. Okay, so I think I got it all covered. minutes before we put the sauce. We'll be right back. Okay, so now it's ready. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, it's on simmer. I'm going to use some pasta sauce. Now you can use whatever choice you want to use. So this is what I'll be using. I always put a little bit of water and shake it, make sure we get everything into it. There we go. So I'm going to sit this and let it marinate with the sauce until it's second. And I'm going to leave it about for 20 minutes. So all the flavors come together. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, the sauce is nice and ready. So now we just cover it, let it sit there. Now we're going to do the spaghetti. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil there so the spaghetti won't stick. And we'll add some spaghetti. My daughter loves her spaghetti. Sure, we make it out. So there we go. So we'll let that sit there for a good maybe 15 minutes. And I'll show you when it's all done and put together. Alright guys, so we got the spaghetti ready. I did add a little bit of olive oil to it so these will not stick. I can also add a little bit of this Italian seasoning. I do it, if you guys want to do it, you don't have to, but I do just because my daughter loves the Italian seasoning on her spaghetti. So there you have it. Add just a little bit of olive oil. Or you can also substitute it with a little bit butter. And there you have it. And I will plate this delicious food. And we'll be right back. So I've got my best critics here, which is my family. This is spaghetti with chicken. So, what do you think, Hugo?
So the chicken's pretty good. I haven't tried the noodles yet, but it looks bomb.
Okay. So how about you?
It is so hot.
This is the first time my daughter tastes chicken with her spaghetti. What do you think? This is my husband here. What do you think about that?
Yes, this is delicioso.
What did you say? Delicioso?
Yes.
All right. So if my family's happy, I'm happy, and there you have it. Very simple, guys. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Till next time. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram at Taste of Life with the Clarks, all one word. And also listen to us to our podcast at Taste of Life with the Clarks. You can find us at Spotify, Apple, Google, and Anchor. So as you can see, you all have a great day, and my familia is enjoying their lunch. And there you have it, guys. These are my results. These guys are fast eaters. I'm still working on mine.